And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create this little speaker icon in Illustrator. Let us use the rectangle tool first. I'll give it a black fill and no stroke. I'll hold shift and drag a copy out of it, having the selection to activate it, and I'll reposition it to here. Another copy, and then I press Ctrl D to have a third copy. Now I'll activate the pen tool, go to the anchor point, and I create a triangle just like so. I close the path. I'll activate the selection tool, drag the copy out of it, and reposition it to the bottom. Then right click, transform and reflect. Make sure horizontal is activated. Under preview you can see what you're doing, press OK. Let me select it all and I connect it using the shape builder tool. And this is the left half of the icon, but we need to work on the rounded corners. Let me use the direct selection tool for that. I'll hold shift and I'll click on both anchor points and then drag the little circle icon inwards. Let us take care now of the half circles on the right side of the icon. I use the ellipse tool for that. I'll hold shift and alt and create such a circle. That's fine. I'll reposition it to the right side. And I only want to have a black stroke and no fill, so I'll flip the colors once more and I increase the stroke size to maybe 10 points. For now that's fine. Let me activate the direct selection tool, click on the left anchor point and then simply delete it with your delete key. Activate the half circle, hold alt and drag a copy out of it, then press Ctrl D to have another copy. Now hold shift and alt when I resize it. And once more I need to resize that as well. And now I reposition them using the arrow keys to the right side. But I have to increase the stroke size a little bit. Let me select it all and I go up to maybe 15 points. Let me increase it to 20. That looks better. I'll select it all and now I can resize it holding shift and alt, and here's our speaker icon. Well, let me decrease the stroke size a little bit. 15 was better. And this is how you can recreate this speaker icon in Illustrator. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.